Hello everyone, I am Dr. R.T. Radhika, working as an assistant professor in the postgraduate department of chemistry, Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. In this conference, I am presenting a paper entitled Oxidation of Niacin, that is vitamin B3, by chloramine T in hydrochloric acid medium, a kinetic and mechanistic study. This is the abstract of the paper. Introduction. Niacin or vitamin B3 is one of the most important vitamins, which is the physiologically active compound. It plays a vital role in cell respiration, release carbohydrates, fat and proteins, deficiency of which in human leads to the condition pellagra, followed by malfunction of digestive and nervous system. The present study is the investigation of the kinetic aspects of reaction of niacin with chloramine T at 303 Kelvin in presence of hydrochloric acid. Experimental. An aqueous solution of chloramine T was prepared, standardized periodically by iodometric method and preserved in amber colored bottle until further use. Analog grade of niacin was used and an aqueous solution of the substrate was prepared. All other chemicals used were of accepted grades purity. The ionic strength of reaction mixture was kept at a high value with concentrated solution of sodium perchlorate. Kinetic measurement. Kinetic runs were performed under pseudo first order conditions of concentration of nicotinic acid, that is niacin, is greater than concentration of chloramine T, CAT. A mixture containing requisite amounts of nicotinic acid, sodium perchlorate and HCl was equilibrated at 303 Kelvin. To this solution, a measured amount of prepared equilibrated aqueous solution of CAT of known concentration was added. The progress of the reaction was monitored iodometrically for 2 half-lives by withdrawing aliquots of the reaction mixture at regular time intervals. The pseudo first order rate constants calculated were reproducible. Stoichiometry. Reaction mixture containing different compositions of nicotinic acid and chloramine T in reaction conditions were equilibrated at 303 Kelvin for 48 hours. The iodometric determination of unreacted CAT in the reaction mixture showed that 1 mole of nicotinic acid consumed 1 mole of chloramine T. Results. Kinetics of reaction of nicotinic acid with chloramine T were investigated and several initial concentrations of the reactants in acid medium. In the presence of excess nicotinic acid concentration and fixed HCl concentration, plots of log concentration CAT versus time are linear, indicating a first order dependence of the rate on concentration of CAT. The pseudo first order rate constant K dash are given in table 1. The rate increased with increase in concentration of Na. Plots of log K dash versus log concentration of Na were linear with slope 0.62, thus indicating a fractional order dependence on concentration of Na. At fixed concentration of CAT, concentration of Na and temperature, the rate of the reaction decreased with increase in concentration of HCl. Table 2. The plots of log K dash versus log concentration HCl were linear with negative fractional slope, indicating an inverse fractional order of approximately minus 0.49 in concentration of HCl. This is table 1. This is table 2. Discussion and mechanism. Chloramine T with formula ArSO2NClNa behaves as a strong electrolyte in aqueous solutions, and several equilibria exist in acidic conditions as shown below. In acid solutions, the probable oxidizing species are the free acid and ArSO2NCl2, HOCl and H2 plus OCl. The involvement of ArSO2NCl2 in the mechanism leads to a second order rate law according to equation 5, which is contrary to the experimental observations. As equation 4 indicates a slow hydrolysis, if HOCl were the primary oxidizing species of the first order, a retardation of rate by the added ArSO2 and H2 would be expected. However, no such effect was noticed in the study, that is Narayana and Rao and Subhashini et al. Have reported that monohaloamines can be further protonated at pH less than 2 as in equation 7 for chloramine T. In the present case, the inverse fractional order in H plus concentration suggested that the deprotonation of ArSO2 NH2Cl plus results in regeneration of ArSO2 NHCl, which is likely to be the active species involved in the mechanism of nicotinic acid halogenations. Based on the preceding discussion, a mechanism of scheme 1 is proposed for the reaction. The proposed above kinetic scheme leads to the rate law given as the rate law is consistent with the experimental data, including first order dependence of the rate on concentration of CAT, fractional order dependence on concentration of Na, and a negative fractional order dependence on HCl. The thermodynamic parameters are also calculated as shown in table 3. The moderate value of enthalpy of activation is supportive of the proposed mechanism in scheme 1. The highly negative value enthalpy of activation indicates the formation of rigid transition state by the associative process. The thermodynamic parameters are given in this table. These are the references used. Thank you.